guys, happy Diwali to each one of you. So Diwali is like one of my favorite festival and इतनी सारी memories जुड़ी है इस festival से I cannot even tell you. So this is going to be our first time celebrating Diwali in Toronto. So me and Harsh will try our best to celebrate and enjoy this day. So speaking of Diwali, what comes to our mind? Fireworks, lots of sweets and lots of lighting. So speaking of fireworks, as we live in downtown Toronto, it's a condo, so it's not at all allowed here. Of course, it's risky. So I cannot even burn a fuljadi in the balcony because if somebody will see it, so they can complain about us. So people, those who have individual houses here, I mean, they have their backyard, front yard, so they can burn the fireworks, and that too with guidelines by Ontario government. So fireworks ka yahi scene hai. So guys, regarding decoration, fortunately I got free from office today on time because sometimes I end up working like by 6:37. So now we are going to decorate our house, and for that we have few lights, and also we found one seller through marketplace, so she delivered us marigold artificial garland, so we are going to use that as well. So let me show you the garland. So guys, these are the artificial flowers, and we got 3 pack of flowers, so each pack has 5 strand of these flowers. So I hope we can do something creative with these flowers. So let's start decorating. Look at this wall, guys. We have just completed this side. Isn't it looking pretty? बिल्कुल real flowers लग रहे हैं. Just by adding this artificial flowers, I mean, whole vibe of our home is different now. Guess what? We got this आम का पत्ता और हर्ष इसको अभी बांध रहा है. This is also artificial flower.
But हम इसमें असली वाले पत्ते लगा रहे हैं.
Yeah, but we are trying to make it more authentic and traditional. Harsh, happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
So guys, we have tried our best to bring out the Diwali vibes in our home, and you know what, it looks so pretty. We have just done a minimal decor and I'm really happy with this decoration. Our decoration is done and I will see you all in the morning. मॉर्निंग गाइज एंड हैप्पी दिवाली वंस अगेन. सो इस व्लॉग में पता नहीं मैंने कितने बार हैप्पी दिवाली बोला है. सो इट्स सच अ ब्यूटिफुल मॉर्निंग एंड इट्स नॉट इवन दैट कोल्ड. मैं अभी बालकनी में गई थी, आराम से मैं खड़ी हुई, कॉफ़ी पिया मैंने, उतनी ठंड भी नहीं है अभी. वी आर मिसिंग इंडिया एंड अवर फैमिलीज अ लॉट, सो वी हैव बीन टॉकिंग टू देम सिंस लास्ट नाइट. सो इट्स मॉर्निंग हियर, सो इट्स इवनिंग इन इंडिया, एंड आई नो everybody must be having fun, everybody must be burning their fireworks, puja ho rahi hogi, and so many things. Now the plan is we are heading out and we are going to Gurdwara, so that's in Brampton, and I'm even more excited because we will get a chance to wear our beautiful Indian dresses today, जो पिछले 8-9 महीने से ऐसे ही लगेज में पड़े हुए हैं. I think I should go and get ready. So guys, here we are in our beautiful Indian attire. So we are heading to Gurdwara and it will take us 20 more minutes. I mean, it's a 40-minute drive from Toronto downtown. So we are so excited because we are going to Gurdwara after more than a year. Last time we visited when we were in Ottawa. So yeah, super happy. And also me and Harsh both have taken leave from our office so that we can enjoy our day. This Gurdwara is so beautiful. I mean, अभी तक हम अंदर गए नहीं हैं. We are just going inside, and the moment we saw it from outside, it is feeling so good. And we also saw there are firework shops as well. So we are thinking to get one फुलझड़ी का packet. देखते हैं लेना है कि नहीं. And temperature is getting cold and I had to wear this jacket. So guys, the good thing is I can see that there are people who are lighting up diya and candle. So I also brought one candle just in case, because I wanted to be sure whether it's allowed or not. But I can see everybody is lighting up the diyas and candle. So yeah, we will also do the same. Harsh, how are you feeling?
मस्त
मत्था टेकने के बाद कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत अच्छा.
Now we are feeling that we are in Delhi. Guys, do you see this place? So many Indian stores are here. Clothes, food, sweet shop, so many. Hi Harsh. Yeah. So we had our darshan and I cannot even tell you how grateful we are feeling today that we came to Gurdwara. I mean, it literally felt so amazing because जब कीर्तन बज रहा था, me and Harsh we both were so emotional. Like, इतना भी हम कर लें यार, इंडिया के जैसे यहाँ नहीं कर सकते. If anybody is feeling low during especially this festive season, don't worry, just come to Brampton. So there is one firework shop in this campus of this Gurdwara. We also bought 2 packs of that small fuljari. We are not sure that we will be allowed to do anything like that in our condo or in our balcony, but still we took a chance. Maybe agar man kar gaya, permission mil gayi, to we can do that. We are back home and look what I'm going to do. So I'm going to make a small rangoli because you guys can see the space. So this is the only space which we have in our condo where I can do something with colors. So I cannot make something bigger, but what I'm thinking I can do with these flowers and rangoli. Making rangoli is one of my favorite part every year in Diwali. So I'll try my best कि मैं कुछ छोटा सा प्यारा सा create कर पाऊँ यहाँ पे. So I have already shredded the petals of marigold flowers. Let's see what I can make out of it. So let's start making rangoli.
I've said it many times, I know I would change my ways, I know for sure.
I'm making rangoli almost after 2 years, so I am feeling a bit nostalgic about this.
When all the crows decide to meet, they settle down beneath my feet. I've got it.
So guys, my rangoli is done, but let me tell you that this is the worst rangoli I have ever made in my entire life, because this is the least I could do in this condo, but it's not looking that bad. Just have a look. So guys, we are all ready and dressed up, and this is my Diwali outfit. So I got this outfit stitched from Brampton last year, but due to some reason I couldn't wear it, so I am wearing it this year. So yeah, we are all set and now it's time for puja. And हम लोगों की पूजा की थाली ready है. And guess what? This year we were able to get this कमल का फूल because ये जो है ये लक्ष्मी माता पे चढ़ता है. ये बहुत important होता है. Let's go and do the puja. So guys, our puja is done and now we are heading out to meet our friends and then we'll have dinner. Since it was Diwali night, guys, all the restaurants were full in Brampton. So after a little bit of restaurant hopping, finally we got a table in a restaurant named as Punjabi by Nature. After having a good Indian meal, it's time to see Diwali celebration in Brampton. So guys, we just came back home and this was our first visit to Brampton, and that too for Diwali celebration. It was super fun and crazy, which you guys have already seen those things in this video earlier. People were dancing on the streets on all those Bollywood music. So we had such a good celebration today because I really didn't plan that things would go like this today. So I am really happy, and you know what's the worst part? Tomorrow is our office. It's Friday. So yeah, that's how our day was, and I really hope that everyone has also enjoyed this day with their family, with their loved ones. So guys, it's time to end this video, and I really hope that you all are liking my videos. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, or you guys can leave comment on any of my videos, share my video with others. So I'll see you all next week. Till then, take care everyone. Bye.